Hey guys, Dr. Brian Wickstrom here from River City Chiropractic, and today we're going to be talking about our shoulder pain series, and specifically going to be diving into what can cause shoulder pain that we see very frequently in our office. And so sometimes people have falls, they slip on the ice, sports injuries, even how you sleep. Those sorts of activities can actually lead to misalignments in your shoulder joint itself. And so one of the things that we commonly see, the most common misalignment or what we call subluxation with your shoulder joint is where the shoulder joint actually kind of drops down and forward. And so you'll usually find then that people have a hard time raising their shoulder. They might get some tenderness here in the front part of their shoulder as well. And through adjustments, then that can help to correct that alignment. And then we also do some stabilization exercises as well to help them hold that proper posture. So in today's video, we're going to be demonstrating how we usually do an adjustment on somebody's shoulder. And so I'm going to have Liz go ahead and lay on your back here. And so usually go through and do a series of muscle tests to figure out which joints that we need to adjust. I already did those on her, so I know which one needs to be adjusted. And so she needs the joint adjusted here, which is between the scapula and your arm bone, which is called your humerus. And so what we're going to do, there's a bunch of different ways that we can do this, but one of the adjustments I like to do the most is we have them kind of bring their arm back like this. And Liz, maybe turn this way. And we're basically getting in front of the shoulder bone here and helping to bring that up and backwards where it should normally be. So we're just going to lift their shoulder up like this and then let your arm relax. And just like that. And so if we reach check, so go ahead and hold your arm right there. So there we go. So that's how you do the adjustment. And that, I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was a big clunk. She really needed that adjustment today. And so after she's done getting adjusted, then it's really good to do some stabilization exercises to help strengthening the rotator cuff muscles, the muscles that help to stabilize your scapula and hold your posture in good alignment. So you're going to have Liz stand up here, and you're going to grab this band. So you're going to hold this out in front of you and get a resistance band just like this. And basically you're pinching your shoulder blades down and back and bringing that back. So bring your arms up a little bit higher there. Yep, go. Yep, and then you're going to hold that for a couple seconds. Do 10 to 15 reps of this twice a day. And then you can drop your arms down, so elbows at your side. And then you're going to do the same thing, you're externally rotating. So this is going to really focus on some of your rotator cuff muscles. And doing the same reps in there, hold for a couple seconds, 10 to 15 reps. And then the other one that you can do, this is a really easy one that you can do, especially if you have like a desk type job or you're sitting at your desk. You can do this a few times a day. It's called Brugger's posture exercise. So you're going to put your thumbs down, arms down by your side, and you're just going to rotate your arms back like this. And again, you're squeezing your shoulder blades down and back, and that's helping to strengthen those muscles to stabilize your shoulder back to where it needs to be and hold things in place. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, let us know, and we will see you in the next video.